Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by loosening one corner. Use a putty knife to lift an edge gently while you apply heat for 20–30 seconds to soften adhesive. Once the corner peels, keep the heat moving to avoid overheating paint. Make sure to work in a small section so the adhesive stays soft as you pull. If the sticker resists, switch to a spray of warm water and detergent to rehydrate the glue. This prevents paint damage and gives you better control. You continue by peeling the wallpaper sticker slowly at a 45-degree angle. This reduces stress on paint and joint seams. Once a strip is free, hold the warmed section and pull steadily. If it tears, reheat the remaining piece. After removal, inspect for glue. You should blot adhesive with a sponge and warm water, then follow with a low-strength adhesive remover or white vinegar to dissolve residue. Make sure to rinse thoroughly so you finish by cleaning the surface. Wash with a mild detergent, rinse well, and allow the wall to dry completely. Once dry, sand any rough or slightly raised spots using fine grit sandpaper and remove dust with a tack cloth. If you exposed raw drywall or paint has lifted, apply a bonding primer before repainting to ensure even adhesion. If paint peels extensively, stop and address the damaged patch with joint compound. Rushing risks larger repairs, so take a moment to assess first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.